Hi, this is the first Smartsheet Guru Elite session. I've been really excited to get this off the ground and help Smartsheet users like you learn more. What we are going to learn today is how to count the number of values in a cell that contains delimited data. Here you'll see I have a column showing the number of predecessors. And this works no matter if there are 0 predecessors, like this example, or many, like this with 7. In order to do this, it requires 2 columns. One that you see here that shows the count, and another that is used to convert the predecessors into a multi-drop-down column. Now I'll show you how to do this. But first, I need to state that this method works when there are unique values in the delimited data. If you have delimited data with duplicate values, this method will not work to get an accurate count of the delimited values. I can go into more details of why this is, but I want to focus on the simple use case first. You'll see here I have a column with invoices to count. Then I have a multi-drop-down column here. And then a number text column that we'll use to count the number of invoices. First, we'll need to convert the list of invoice numbers to a multi-context column. We'll do this using the substitute and character function to add an ASCII line feed character in place of the commas. This will create a unique value in the drop-down column. We create the line feed character using the character function and the number 10. And there we go. We'll make that into a column formula here. And you see it now has converted each unique invoice number into a multi-select drop-down option. Now to count these, all we have to do is use the countm function. Place that multi-drop-down in there, and we count the invoice numbers. Now let's add a duplicate invoice number here. Let's say we'll say INV-004. And you'll notice the count does not change. That's because a multi-drop-down column only displays a specific value one time. If I convert this column to text, you can see it includes the duplicate invoice number 004 twice. But when we convert it back to the multi-dropdown, it only displays once. That's why this method works for counting unique values, but does not work for counting duplicate values. If you're watching this recording instead of live, you can ask questions in the Smartsheet Guru Inner Circle.